In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Drive private. Whether you're storing sensitive information or simply want to ensure your documents are for your eyes only, this guide will walk you through the steps to create a private Google Drive environment. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive by typing drive.google.com into the address bar. Once there, sign in with your Google account if you haven't done so already. It's important to ensure that you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Google accounts for different purposes. Now, with your account open, you'll see your Google Drive dashboard, which contains all your saved files and folders. To start securing specific information, identify a folder or file you want to make private. You can create a new folder specifically for private documents by clicking the New button on the left-hand side of the screen and selecting Folder. Name the folder something easily identifiable. Once created, drag and drop any files you want to secure into this new folder. This grouping will simplify the process of managing the privacy settings for multiple documents simultaneously. Now, let's adjust the privacy settings. Right-click on the folder you just created and select Share from the context menu. A new window will appear showing the current sharing settings. By default, your files may be accessible to individuals with the link or your organization if you're using a work account. To change this, look for the section labeled Get Link. Next to anyone with the link, you may see a drop-down menu. Click it and select Restricted. This action ensures that no one outside your invitees can access the folder. If you have previously shared this folder with specific people and want to revoke their access, go to the Share with People in Groups section at the top of the window. You'll see a list of individuals who currently have access. To remove their access, click the X next to their name. This will ensure that only the people you explicitly invite in the future will have the ability to view or edit these files. Remember, security involves more than just restricting access. Consider employing strong passwords for your Google account and enabling two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. If you suspect any unusual activity or unauthorized access, regularly monitor your sharing settings and update your account recovery options to keep your information safe. And there you have it, a simple guide to making your Google Drive private. Following these steps ensures your files remain secure and assists in maintaining personal or professional confidentiality. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.